you ever been totally captivated by a performance from the very first note? You know what I'm talking about. That moment the music kicks in and pulses through your body, making you not just a part of the audience, but part of the whole experience. Yamaha's DXR series of active loudspeakers guarantees that everyone in the house shares that same great feeling. Let's take a closer look. Live performers today need PA systems that are compact and lightweight, so they can be carried to gigs and set up quickly and easily. But at the same time, high output power and high audio quality are a must. Small and big, loud and pure, these are things that normally are very difficult to put together in a PA system. High output levels from compact speaker enclosures normally have a lower audio quality, but our engineering teams in Japan and Europe have pulled it off. The compact DXR series of speakers will blow you away. The DXR advantage is digital signal processing, which is also known as DSP. The DXR series feature the same DSP technologies as the larger DSR series, with FIR crossover filtering and multi-band dynamic processors that optimize both power output and audio quality of the amplifier and the speaker components. The result? DXR delivers a staggering 1,100 watts of power without ever compromising on audio quality. The DXR series lineup features 4 different lightweight full-range speakers: the 15-inch DXR 15, the 12-inch DXR 12, the 10-inch DXR 10, and the incredibly compact and great-sounding 8-inch DXR 8. All 4 are active speaker systems featuring 2 independent amplifiers, one for the low-frequency driver and one for the high-frequency compression driver. These full-range enclosures can be combined with the new 15-inch DXS 15 or the 12-inch DXS 12 subwoofers for additional low-frequency reinforcement and extension. The DXR loudspeakers achieve an exceptionally high sound pressure level of up to 133 dB. These kinds of power ratings require top-quality protection circuitry to ensure that there is power that lasts and never lets you down. The DXR series provides extensive DSP control protection, which protects transducers, power amplifiers, and even the power supplies themselves. The front-mounted LED shows the limiter activity, so you can clearly see when the limiter is in use. The high frequencies are reproduced by a durable and consistent 1-inch titanium compression driver. A powerful bass response is delivered by the high-quality woofers with large 2.5-inch voice coils for the 15-inch and the 12-inch speakers. The newly designed Waveguide Horn provides a wide-frequency sound projection with a smooth 90-degree horizontal and a 60-degree vertical coverage. All full-range models feature 3 input channels, each with independent level control. 3 different input sources are available. XLR inputs, phone jacks, or RCA inputs allow for mic and line level signals. The unique link-out system lets you decide whether to use the speakers in mono or stereo mode when using a second DXR speaker. A rear panel switch activates the multi-band dynamic processor. When enabled, the DSP constantly monitors the output of multiple frequency bands and calculates the optimum EQ adjustments to provide the highest possible sound pressure level whilst maintaining superb audio quality. DXR speakers provide 2 different DSP settings, one for monitor and one for front-of-house use. The DXR speakers also provide a high-pass filter, so you can use them with a subwoofer. A choice of either 100 or 120 Hz is provided. The DXS subwoofers are specially designed for use with the DXR full-range models. With a high-efficiency 950 watt Class D amplifier, they achieve a maximum sound pressure level of up to 132 dB for a punchy and full bass response. The DXR series enclosures are also very versatile, supporting virtually all sound reinforcement applications. Firstly, the DXS 12 and the DXS 15 subwoofers provide a top panel pole mount for configurations with full-range DXR models. Secondly, the DXR's unique multi-purpose enclosure also allows the speakers to be used as a floor wedge, and they have a 50-degree dispersion angle. It means that the music will be delivered to your ears and not into your knees like so many of the other multi-purpose boxes out there. Thirdly, for installations, all DXR speakers provide M10 rigging points for suspended application, plus additional U-brackets are available for truss mounting. And finally, the heavy-duty steel grille provides tough protection for the internal transducers. The DXR DXS system makes the setting up of a 3-way PA system very easy. On the back of the DXS subwoofers, you will find XLR inputs and XLR through outputs. Simply connect the mixing console outputs to the DXS inputs, and then the DXS through outputs to the DXR inputs, and that's all there is to it. The DXS's digital signal processors do the rest. offering two DSP settings, one for boost and the other for the extended low frequency mode. To tune the system further, the DSR's low-pass filters offer filtering at 80, 100, and 120 Hz. The new DXR and DXS series from Yamaha, once again, it's power, perfectly processed.